Top back, system banging. Made enough of this money to quit complaining, but still ain't made enough of it to quit the game and hit the Cayman. Copatelli, that's where the bitch is hanging. Nice room, I'm bugging, wait till you hear the price. Top floor, she overcoming her fear of heights. Caught the wave, she got motion sickness. Promise of paradise, and watch her settle for a pair of Nikes. Puffin' that killer, can't get enough of the Skrilla. The papers, a pina colada, the Dutch is vanilla. They don't come any realer. I can handle the belt, play the hand I was dealt. Won't bluffing the dealer. Hoes on my parallel, fuck them if fair and well. They wanna get to know me, my name is more than I care to tell. I'm just telling the truth, raising hell in the booth. Gotta make it to heaven, come back and skid through the 7.
Live good, roll good, smoke until it's gone. Lay my head down, baby, I'm a rolling stone. So drunk, won't remember nothing in the morning. I'ma do this till I'm dead and gone. Smoke weed, fuck bitches. Slide hard, all you ain't ass niggas. I got one life, I'ma live it. I'ma live my life with no limit. Make it back tomorrow, don't care how much I spend. Think I'm a G, wait till you meet my friends. A beast I've been, now they wait online till I sign a CD for them. I am all who question and sleep on him. Eating good too, don't leave a piece for them. We gon' smoke bomb trees, drink some gin. Couldn't walk in my shoes, know would your feet fit in. Since I've been off the leash, like I had a couple of drinks, watch my buzz increase. Now we twisting up, sipping champagne on the beach. We're either your Taylor gang or deceased. Nigga, right about now. Live good, roll good, smoke until it's gone. Lay my head down, baby, I'm a rolling stone. So drunk, won't remember nothing in the morning. I'ma do this till I'm dead and gone. Smoke weed, fuck bitches. Stunt hard, all you ain't ass niggas. I got one life, I'ma live it. I'ma live my life with no limits. I came from nothing, now I'm a money-making machine. Hustling raps, cause there ain't no escaping the fiends. All over the map, just me and my Caribbean team. A few from Atlanta, my other niggas repping the beam. High definition, it seems like we live on the screen. Not cause it's clear as day, but cause me and my niggas be clean. We stay fly, haters hate when we step on the scene. Cause we young, black, and living the American dream. Okay, this is what I do. Planning 6 off in this thing, so is Wiz Khalifa too. Shout out to the homie, ayo, the world don't have a clue what's about to happen, homie. I'm just waiting on my cue to go and get them. Pray that they don't let them, that nigga be going in. Who the fuck is y'all telling? I plan to ride this motherfucker till the wheels broke. Thought I was selling crack while listening back like that shit came out real dope. Smoke weed, fuck bitches. Stunt hard, all you ain't ass niggas. I got one life, I'ma live it. I'ma live my life with no limits.
I don't know for sure if that was a bird or what the fuck it was, but it was something fucking huge. The fucking dirt all on the damn ground there. I hit that motherfucker and killed it. Y'all believe that shit? I hit a fucking redbird and killed it. Holy fucking hell. Oh. Holy shit. I hit a redbird. Holy hell. That's going on YouTube right there.
Rooster nuts. Because I ain't never seen a chicken with a nugget. I am. God, you're a mood. I don't know, dude. That's a pretty badass song, and the fucking dubstep remixes are sick. I don't know about the chipmunk singing right now, but I'm waiting on the bass drop. That better be quick, Taylor. Yeah, you're a mo. You're now a mo. I'm still borderline. Don't you be looking at me like that. I will stab you. Alright, you can beat up the beat. That's fine. Beat it up like Stephen Wise. What? Too soon? You beat the beat up like Stephen Wise.